Hello everyone. We're going to demonstrate a very easy, useful tool here. And the purpose of this tool is to help you organize your floor plans in terms of nice, viewable thumbnails, quite like these. And in order to do that, you first need to log into your account on the dashboard and select floor plans, and all of your floor plans will show up. And what needs to happen is you need to find the floor plan that you wish to create a nice thumbnail for. So that way, let's say for example you want your thumbnails to look 3D, kind of like this, versus something like this. So I am going to scroll to a floor plan that looks very good in 3D, but does not quite show the same way in my two-dimensional view. So let me see here. So here's one. So this floor plan, let's select this floor plan. We just click on the image, and that's the thumbnail. That's the current floor plan for the image. So in order to improve this thumbnail and make it a 3D thumbnail, I would click on Edit 3D Preferences. Okay, so at this point it would load my floor plan for me. As you can see, it has some arbitrary table here, but doesn't matter. I'm just gonna still take a nice screenshot of the 3D view. So in order to do that, if we look down at a lower menu bar here, by the way, you have to be in edit mode in order to create this thumbnail. So this is not something you can create from the normal viewer, 3D viewer mode. So the third symbol that says Save Preferences, I'm going to click on that, and here are all my options. These options are options that you can save preferences, meaning every time the floor plan opens, it's going to hold to those preferences. But right now we're just concerned about the thumbnail, so I'm just going to click on, it says Create Preview, click on Start, and right away you see it gives me a red bar around my image, and I am going to zoom in to my view. And sometimes you can do this, but this is not going to look that good when it's in thumbnail view. So I want to zoom as close as possible to and with my angle perfectly selected, I'm going to click on this little icon, and as soon as I do that, it just created my thumbnail for me. And if I want to restart, I can just click on Start again and take another screenshot. But at this point, if I like this, I'm going to hit Save. Now I can close this window. As you can see, when I go back to my floor plan, it's not showing, right? All you have to do is click on your floor plans again and giving your page a chance to reload that new image that it just created. Let me scroll down and I should be able to find it. So here it is. So I can find it without even remembering the name because the thumbnail is pretty prominent. So when I click back on it, you can see now the thumbnail is attached to the floor plan, which is also a very good thing to do if, number one, you're going to publicly publish your floor plans. So when you go to the public page, all of those floor plans here, the better the thumbnail looks, the more likely somebody is to click on it. So that's the little clue for today. Thank you very much. See you next time.